doing this for 23 years now, and at a lot of the projects that I've been at, closets are always the last thought.
The amenity game has just completely changed in the multifamily space, and we are constantly looking for new ways to differentiate and make our product better.
So many different options when applying for an apartment, color schemes, closets, wine fridge, Sonos speakers. You have to really take it to that next level and take all of the things and then some.
And the partnership that we have established with the Container Store and the product that's delivered is one of those differentiating features.
An Elfa Closet is easy to install with the proper training. The beauty of it is, there's not nuts and bolts or screws. You have one track that mounts to the wall, and then everything else hangs from standards, and then after standards you go brackets, and then after brackets you can go shelves, drawers, other accessories. In most multifamily, everything's designed in 2-foot increments or 18-inch increments, which that's our standard accessory size. So if a customer wants to come in after the fact and add a few drawers, add a pant rack, it makes it very easy for them without an installer.
Nothing's too heavy, nothing is too hard to pull out and re-enter or adjust. The shelving or drawers is very simple.
The Container Store offers a wide range of accessories to continue to increase your ability to organize. Let's say this design here is in the system at the store. It can tell you where you can add accessories, or they can reconfigure it, and you can purchase those accessories right at the store, self-install if you'd like, or a service order can be provided for a very efficient reinstall.
It's a full turnkey process from design to measuring to installation. You're getting kind of the full package as opposed to working with this point of contact, but then these other 3 third parties are going to be involved in the process as well. You've got one point of contact that's going to deliver the full package.
When we're done, it's done. There's not a punch list usually. When we walk out of the space, we usually shut the door behind us and it's ready to go.
Our community is definitely an A++ property, and having all of these gorgeous and beautiful amenities, I think Elfa Closet Shelving is like the icing on the cake.